Hello, my friends. Due to limited time, I wasn't able to cover what remained of Module 2 for the remainder of the week, so I thought I'd make a video where I did just that. So we're going to go to week 2, and of course your module is always found in this folder here. And I don't really like the formatting in the HTML, so I am going to click on the PDF, and that's going to open this document. So this week, for homework, you're going to be watching these screencasts and completing the associated self-tests. I estimate that's going to take about 3 hours and 9 minutes, and we're going to discuss this material on Monday. Now, this is quite a bit of material, and of course, I can't discuss all of it in class on Monday, so I have to pick and choose what I think I should focus on, and I need you to help me with that. I'm going to scroll down to the last component of this document, which is the Muddiest Points Wiki. You may be familiar with the term wiki, like Wikipedia. Basically, it's an online document that the class is collectively going to edit. What I'm going to have you do, or ask you to do, is to identify the 2 learning objectives that you least understand. And that's going to help me know what to focus on when we meet on Monday. I need you to do this by Friday, September 11th at midnight. So the expectation is you would have at least watched all of the screencast, completed the self-tests by Friday at midnight, and figured out what you are understanding and what you're not understanding. Where is the Muddiest Points Wiki? Well, in the same folder, the Week 2 module folder, if we scroll down, all the way down, you'll find it. Last week, this is where your discussion board was. This week, this is where the wiki is. Click on the wiki, and then you'll see I have pasted all of the learning objectives from those screencasts here. Now, because I'm the instructor, it doesn't have the little edit wiki button that would normally be here that you will see, so I'm going to change to what you would see. And then what you do is you click edit wiki content, and then I want you to identify the 2 muddiest points, the 2 learning objectives you least understand. Right? As an example, I put 2 here. I want you to put the initial of your first name and your last name in parentheses, and then bold it and change it to a color that contrasts with white. So please don't use like yellow or a light orange, something that contrasts with white. And after the entire class does this, what will result is your names will be clustered around the muddiest points, the learning objectives that represent the muddiest points of the class as a whole. And that I will use as a guide to figure out what to focus on when we meet on Monday. Now this will take you all of like 5 minutes, and you get 2 points for doing this. It's one of those, you just do it, you get the points, but it must be done by Friday at midnight. I need time to prepare for class on Monday. I'm going to go back to this document. Okay, as you know, you have a quiz for mastery on chapter 1 that is open that I mentioned. It opened at the end of class. It will close Monday at midnight. It covers the first chapter of your book. 10 questions randomly selected from the pool of all your self-tests from chapter 1. And you can take this quiz an unlimited number of times, and it will save your highest score. Lab you already completed on Tuesday, if not earlier. And then you have a lab quiz. That lab quiz covers that lab from Tuesday. Just to remind you where you can always find your quizzes under this quizzes and exams tab. If you go there, here's your quiz for mastery that you can take an unlimited number of times, and here's your lab quiz number 2 on cell anatomy and division. If you have any questions, as always, you can always contact